Hey guys, what is going on? And welcome back to my channel. I am your hostess with the mostest, Nika. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a super easy bow. And the bow that we're going to be making today is called a hobo. And so I'm using all ribbon that came from Dollar Tree to make this bow. This is the easiest bow that you can make, especially if you're just starting off making bows. So I'm going to start off with the first ribbon. Now you can use a measuring tape, a yardstick, or anything to help you actually measure out how long you want your strips of ribbon to be. I didn't do that. I just kind of eyeballed it and then I cut it about how long I liked it, and then I used that first ribbon as a guide to cut out the other strips of ribbon. And I did 3 strips of each ribbon. So once I got done cutting out all my ribbon and kind of separating it, I'm going to go in and I'm going to start making my loops. So I picked up this orange, started making my loop. Now, as you can see, you don't go all the way down. You just make your loop at the top and you leave a little bit of excess at the bottom, as if you can see that, and then you pinch. And then you continue to do that all throughout this bow design. So you pinch and then you gather it up in your hand. Again, I think this is really easy because sometimes, like when you're making bows, it can get very hard to hold the bundles in your hands, but this bundle is so much easier to hold, and you can use a lot of different ribbon when you're doing this particular design. They do have something that makes it easier called a bow maker, which I definitely want to get a bow maker to make it easier to make, again, different kinds of bows. But again, you know, you just loop, you gather, and I'm kind of, like I said, I'm kind of eyeballing everything. So like with my first loop, I didn't really size up about how big my loops are. You can size it up if you want to be like more precise and measure it, but I just used the first loop that I made as a guide to make all the other loops. So I just completely eyeballed everything. Okay, and once I'm done putting all of my ribbon together, I'm going to take a pipe cleaner and I'm going to pull as tight as I can. So you want to pull as tight as you can, and then you want to go ahead and start twisting and you want to make sure that as tight as you can get it, because you do not want anything to pop out as you're fluffing your bow. So once you get finished fluffing your bow, there's a few things that you can do with the tails. So you'll see here in a minute, I'm going to go ahead and ducktail my tails, which means I'm just going to take it and then I'm going to cut it at like an angle. Now you can roll them up. You can see that I kind of started rolling one up. You can roll it up, make like cute little curls and stuff like that in them if that's what you want to do. And you saw I started doing that, then I decided to go ahead and ducktail them. And then I'm pretty much finished with the ribbon, cutting everything. I'm fluffing everything, rechecking everything. And then I'm going to show you guys like how it kind of looks on my wreath. My wreath is not done yet. This is just like my first time making a wreath, but I just want to show you guys how the bow turned out. It is so cute. I love it so much. I hope that you guys enjoyed this super easy tutorial. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.